The most unattractive things you can do in the eyes of a man. Every woman in the world is stunning and no one is flawless. This video isn't meant to make a woman feel bad about herself or to make her look bad. Society does enough of it already, and it's inexcusably wrong in every aspect. The goal of this video is to openly discuss some of the qualities that men find unattractive in women, as well as provide some helpful advice. While you may be doing all that you can to entice the opposite sex, you might be surprised to hear that certain of your activities and behaviors have the reverse effect. You may not even understand you're acting in a way that repels men, when all you're trying to do is attract them to you. We dug up some facts on what to avoid doing and what to do, instead to prevent being categorized as unattractive to men so you can take control of the issue and actually attract the right folks. 1. Gossiping. While it may appear like sharing the latest rumors, scandals, and stories about the lives of your friends, family, and coworkers with a guy is entertaining, you may be surprised to hear that being a gossip is a significant turnoff. While your objectives may be to keep him in the loop and create lines of communication with him, it's crucial to note that giving him the scoop on other people's nefarious acts actually makes you appear low-esteemed. In fact, many people with low self-esteem use gossip to make themselves feel better about their own life, and they prefer to talk about other people's latest setbacks and controversial behaviors to boost their own self-esteem. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all, according to the old adage. Men, on the other hand, appreciate it when women compliment others. One of the most attractive skills you can develop is the ability to see the best in others. 2. Taking the worst-case scenario or hoping to be upset. Giving someone the benefit of the doubt is a good idea. Assume they aren't attempting to offend you. If they don't call you a nasty name or let the air out of your tires. This is especially problematic nowadays, when it appears that everyone and their dog can find a way to be offended by anything. Just keep your cool. On a related note, if your guy occasionally makes a simple comment like, "Wow, you look really great today," which can be misunderstood, let's take a closer look at this statement. Some women would accept the praise and think to themselves, "He's insinuating that I didn't look nice yesterday or the day before, that if he says I look nice now, he thinks I'm unattractive. You look wonderful," he simply said. However, if you answer as if he meant, "He's hinting that I didn't look nice yesterday," you'll leave him absolutely confused and upset. 3. Having a colossal ego. You're a very self-assured person who believes in yourself and is pleased with your accomplishments and everything about you. Guys would undoubtedly find you unappealing if you strive too hard to be a show-off. According to studies, persons who brag about themselves are unaware of the full depth of the unfavorable reaction they receive from others. Instead of guys falling passionately in love with you, you'll be seen as an egocentric, arrogant lady who is hell-bent on proving how fantastic she thinks she is. You should aim to be humble and confident in yourself, rather than arrogant, as being arrogant will only drive guys away. 4. Being unable to make a decision. Men adore receiving feedback. It's really appreciated if you're one of those wonderful women that are willing to talk your mind and voice your views. Please don't answer, "I don't care," when he asks where you want to eat. Instead of forcing him to select, give him a few options to consider. Similarly, if a guy genuinely likes you, but it takes you months to decide whether you like him back, he'll be quite unhappy. If you ever decide you like him again, he'll think you're settling for him, which isn't a good feeling. Take initiative and make decisions. It's fantastic. 5. You have no drive. You may have overheard a few people discussing what they want to do with their lives, how they have a clear sense of direction, how they know their life's ambition or direction. If you do, don't you think they're quite cool? The truth is that a man with a strong vision for his future will not want to waste his time with you if you appear to have no idea what you want to do with your life. He might even come to the conclusion that you're mentally unstable and incompatible with him if he feels forced to save you. If you are continuously abandoning jobs and changing majors in school, or if you have no drive at all, it will be difficult for him to imagine you by his side. 6. Negative vibes. Regardless of your physical appearance, If you continually have a negative attitude, you will be deemed physically unappealing. According to one study, males find women physically unattractive if their personalities appear pessimistic. Every day, you could experience a variety of emotions, which is normal because everyone else does. Whatever feeling you're experiencing, you should constantly make a strong effort to preserve positive vibes and be more optimistic rather than negative. 7. Being catty to other girls. If you are ever in a position where you feel marginalized, it is critical that you speak up and defend yourself. That being said, it can be really unattractive if you appear to be hooked to drama and go out of your way to be cruel to others. By getting in a catfight, you may think you're showing off, but you risk coming across as petty and immature. There's a tremendous difference between acting like a childish girl and acting like an emotionally secure lady, in command of a situation, and your partner will notice. If you want to impress him, complete your degree, obtain the promotion at work, or make a commitment to being your best self. Display your best assets without having to put someone down. 8. Being too needy. When it comes to attracting guys, it's crucial to understand that they like to feel needed. Men, in particular, want to know that they offer worth to your life and aren't unnecessary, expendable, or worthless. Many women, on the other hand, misinterpret a man's desire to feel wanted by becoming overly needy, possessive, and wanting to spend every waking moment with him, all of which are not attractive to men. So, if you're someone who gets clingy and emotionally attached to a man, in the hopes of bringing him closer and inspiring him to stay, remember that you're actually driving him away. 9. Being a party girl. You may believe that being the type of woman that is up for everything, goes out non-stop, and is constantly searching for a good time will attract a man, but being an out-of-control party animal can backfire. In fact, most men strive to avoid party girls because they have a proclivity for acting irrationally, making poor decisions, and putting themselves and others in potentially dangerous situations. Men are attracted to women who are confident, extroverted, and enjoy themselves, but they will reject women who throw caution to the wind and are always looking to party hard regardless of the circumstances. Rather than coming off as irresponsible, immature, and ugly, you should choose to party properly and enjoy the positive reactions you'll receive from the men in your life. 10. Excessive criticism. It's crucial to tell your partner what you appreciate and don't like about him or the relationship, but there's a line to be drawn. You're pushing him away if constructive criticism turns into frequent nagging. If you want to help him improve something for you, talk to him about it and then try to assist him in a constructive manner without being overpowering. Instead of concentrating on the negatives, try concentrating on the positives. That's all for today from Brainy Facts. Thanks for watching.